everybody, welcome back to Plan All the Things. Jody here. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic happy planner for December 14th through the 20th. And for this layout, I'm really going to be inspired by red and gold. So I'm going to start off here by laying my washi tape. This is a gold glitter, kind of a mid-width, not too skinny, not too thick. I really like this size washi tape. I came upon these Happy Planner poinsettia stickers in one of the holiday collections, and they really spoke to me. We don't really have a lot of poinsettias and didn't have a lot of poinsettias growing up because we always had animals. But I think they are really pretty, and they do definitely say Christmas to me. So I'm going to go ahead and start laying some task boxes. I put one in the in the far left, and now I'm just putting one on Monday and on Wednesday. For Tuesday, I'm going to use a bullet checklist. Again, when you kind of pick a color theme, makes it go a little bit easier because you're limited in what you can choose. So when I was choosing stickers for this, I was looking for gold. I'm going to use a bulleted checklist for Thursday, a box for Friday, and then I'm going to make up my own little task section for the weekend. Sometimes I just like to stagger boxes. So now that I have all my functional areas laid down, I can go ahead and fill in with some decorative elements. This is going to be more of a simple layout than my previous two. I really want the red and gold just to be able to shine and speak for themselves. And I'm going to add some check boxes here to these task boxes, just to add a little bit more dimension. Going to add some circle stickers, dot stickers to this task area. I think these red and gold stickers came from one of the Color Story planner sticker books. Here I'm going to add a Merry Christmas, just because it was a nice pretty gold script. Adding another poinsettia. I like that they gave us different sizes. That was fun. See, there are the needles I was talking about. Christmas tree needles. Tell me in the comments below if you know what those are called. Am I calling them the right thing? I'm just going in and adding some more decorative elements, some transparent stickers. I wanted to try to kind of layer in some of these needle leaves, Christmas tree leaves. I can't believe that next week is Christmas already. I'm feeling pretty ready. Like I said, we didn't go out a lot in terms of shopping and whatnot. Did a lot of our ordering online. But still do want to have a nice little Christmas here for Andrew and I, and Alton, of course. We'll probably do something on Zoom to see the family and friends. But yeah, otherwise just chilling. I don't have too much volunteer work going on, thank goodness. I got a big meeting done last week, so all that stuff will kind of be on hold until the new year, which is nice. Just adding some decorative snowflakes here and a few other decorative elements. Here I'm just adding some more decorative elements. I'm going to add a little checkbox to this list box. And I think that's going to be about doing it for this layout. Like I said, it was going to be a bit as busy intentionally as some of my earlier holiday layouts, but I really like the whiteness, the white space, the simplicity. It really lets the red and the gold, I feel, shine. So yeah, I think that's going to do it for this layout. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my channel. And until next time, I hope you're having a good holiday season, and I will see you next week for my next video. Bye for now.